Welcome back to the League of Hustlers, ladies and gentlemen. And today we're going to be talking about $15 trillion dropping into the crypto market. This is bananas. This is insane. We ran across a headline on Forbes that's talking about it, and we just wanted to discuss it with you guys. Let's jump right into it. Me, your co-host HT.
I'm CD Barnes.
Yeah, man. So look at this headline. Trump confirms Bitcoin reserve plans, right? And this news should push the crypto market to $15 trillion with a T, all right? A $15 trillion price boom. Currently, the market cap of crypto overall is sitting at like 3.9, almost
Right.
trillion dollars. All right. So you're
Brilliant.
talking about a 5x, 4x, 5x. This is crazy. This is crazy. So Trump's plan, right? His Bitcoin strategic reserve plan has been confirmed by Trump himself. All right. He's talking about strategically investing in Bitcoin and for the US to have a reserve of its own, similar to like oil reserves. All right. And this is to ensure that the US stays ahead of countries like China, Russia, and others. All right.
Right. And so we've already seen this Bitcoin price surge basically with the election in general, right? Bitcoin price surging. And then with this information as well, the predictions about $1 million Bitcoin, an $800,000 Bitcoin, a $2 million Bitcoin. This type of capital will definitely push the crypto market and Bitcoin specifically closer to those price ranges. 15 trillion is a ton of money and is definitely enough to move to the market to new heights. Now, how does that work for us? How does that work for crypto enthusiasts, crypto investors? Um, there's the old adage, a rising tide raises all ships, right? Even if you're not
Yep.
big into Bitcoin, the entire crypto market itself is going to 4x or 5x just off this information alone, if it occurs. So keep that in mind.
Right.
If you're an Ethereum or an XRP holder, all of these, the top 10 guaranteed, to follow suit. Not financial
Exactly.
advice, but
Definitely not financial advice.
you know, play the game accordingly. However, $15 trillion, coming from a $4 trillion market, it definitely changes the game and solidifies crypto from being the risky asset it's been in the past, and it kind of stabilizes it once you have more countries, and countries is, you know, economically reputable as the US that are actually holding reserves.
Right. Right. Yeah. So Republican Senator Cynthia Lummis, she introduced a bill called the Bitcoin Act, right? And that stands for boosting innovation, technology, and competitiveness through optimized investment nationwide. All right. And in this act, it's proposing to buy 1 million Bitcoins over 5 years. And this is intended to help reduce the deficit. And I think the current deficit is sitting at something like $35 trillion. So the whole intent of this is to position the U.S. in terms of competitiveness for digital assets amongst its peers. Again, like Russia, China, North Korea, et cetera, et cetera. Right. And this act is literally the U.S. saying that it is going to buy 1 million Bitcoins over 5 years. All right. That's roughly 250,000 Bitcoins per year. Right. What this is going to do is help prop up the Bitcoin price. Okay. Not to
Right.
mention the side effects that's going to happen. Other people are going to look at it as a way to, um, preserve the value of their money, right? Once that price stabilizes, right? Think of it the same way as like gold, right? The reason gold stays at a certain price is because people are buying it and holding it. So
And
the
holding,
more
right.
people that buy and hold Bitcoin, right? The US as a government isn't going to buy and trade it and do all of this stuff. They're going to buy it and hold it. Look at BlackRock, look at Vanguard, look at all of these companies that are creating ETFs. They're buying and holding, and that's propping up that price. So the more they prop up that price, the more that price is able to go up. They prop it up more,
Right.
it goes up. They prop it up more, it's going up. Right. So yeah, this is like crazy news. Like I would have never thought this, bro.
Right. 1,000,000 Bitcoin over 5 years is wild. All right. Keep in mind, right now, the current price
Bananas.
is $100,000 per Bitcoin. Purchasing 1,000,000 over 5 years is you're looking at something like $100 trillion worth of investment into Bitcoin.
Yep.
And then the current circulating supply, what is that? What's out there right now for Bitcoin? Total supply 21 million, circulating supply 20 currently. However,
Okay.
right, the US is jumping in head first, it looks like, potentially. We know things change with politicians but it seems like this time with BlackRock and everything getting in, it seems like this is going to happen. And definitely because the US isn't the only one. There are other countries doing the same, right? Same article. Russian lawmakers are considering creating a Bitcoin reserve after Putin endorsed Bitcoin as an alternative to traditional foreign currency reserves. So, again, here you see other countries with the same ideas looking at picking up Bitcoin as a reserve, um, like H mentioned earlier, similar to having an oil reserve or a gold reserve, right? And so this could get pretty intense, in terms of number one, the market itself, the prices could
Yeah.
go crazy for a while. The prices may, I don't
Yep.
know, this type of funding flooding into the crypto market would be huge. You've seen bull markets, you've seen, the types of run that Bitcoin and all these other coins have had. But we haven't seen this type of funding go into the crypto market. So this could be a whole new level for, a lot of these crypto platforms. So, again, a rising tide raises
Indeed.
all ships. Even if you're not in on Bitcoin, maybe you're in other coins, but choose wisely. With that happening, with that occurring, some of
Yeah.
these projects are likely to fall off. You know,
Very.
um, but definitely exciting times for the crypto market itself.
Yeah, man. And last point here, the stock to flow model is predicting that it would be at 800,000, right? 800,000. That's crazy. Like I can't even fathom that by the end of next year. But, I don't think so. That's kind of outlandish for me, but what do I know, right? I would place
Right.
it more so at like 150, right? Honestly, one in between 125 and 150 just based off of the TA and, technical analysis that I've done, but 800 is bananas. But if you're talking about a $15 trillion market cap, then yeah, like I could see 800. That fits actually right in line with the
Right.
Bitcoin dominance and stuff like that. So crazy times, man. Crazy times.
Yeah,
So let us know what you guys think. Drop it in the comments below. That's it for today. We just wanted to bring you that headline. So as always, hit us up at questions@leagueofhustlers.com. Yeah. Anything else, bro?
that's it.
All right, let's get it. Let's go. Follow for more.